Say hi.
Hello.
What you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Huh?
Are you playing in your new playhouse?
Mm-hmm.
You want to come show me how to go down the slide?
No.
No.
I go that way. I like it little.
You like the window?
I'm go look at the side.
You want to go look at the slide?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm come right back. I'm gonna come back.
Good job closing the door.
Go. Let's go.
Woo! You want to show me how to climb up the slide?
Yeah.
No, on this side. Come climb up the slide. Come climb up. Yay!
I go slide. No
Good
more.
job, buddy.
Huh?
Good job.
They go slide too. They go slide. They go slide.
Hey, Daddy too big for the slide.
It's stuck.
Yeah, Daddy got stuck yesterday. Good job.
Good job. Good job.
Good job, buddy.
They go in. They go in. They go in. They go in.
I don't know, buddy.
They go in. And they go in.
You go in first.
Come next.
You want me to come in?
Come next.
Gotta get out of the way.
They out. They out. They go out.
Okay.
They go out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, shut the door. Now look out and say hi to Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Is this a boys' club?
Say all boys.
They buggy him. Ow.
Say, oh, look out at Mom and say, all boys, no girls.
There's no girls. I go buggy him. Ow.
Oh.
Again.
I think Ryan's gonna fall backwards.
What's that?
I think Ryan's gonna fall backwards.
You gonna fall backwards?
I see his whole booty sticking out over there.
Oh, oh bump, bump.
They bug. Ow.
Ow.
All right, buddy, can you look at the camera and say bye-bye?
Look out there and say,
Bye.
hey, one more time. Let's stick our heads out like this. Go. Stick your head out. Go like that.
Lean out the door.
Look out and say, bye-bye, Mommy.